Money influences us all, but not in the ways you might expect. It's not just about numbers or financial strategies. It's deeply intertwined with our emotions, culture, and personal history. Today, we embark on a journey inspired by Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money to uncover the intricate dance between our financial decisions and human nature. Financial DNA. Our financial perspectives are not just personal choices, but are inherited, influenced by our families, the eras we grow up in, and the economic climates we experience. This financial DNA shapes our attitudes towards saving, spending, and investing. How has your background influenced your financial behavior? The power of compounding. Compounding isn't just a financial concept. It's a testament to the power of time and patience in investing. By starting early like Warren Buffett, we can see our investments not just grow but multiply. What small investment step can you commit to today to leverage the power of compounding for your future? Pessimism and money. Pessimism in finance often stems from our instinct to protect ourselves from immediate dangers. But history shows us that growth and progress are possible over time. How can we balance caution with optimism in our financial decisions to foster long-term prosperity? Tail events. The principle of tail events teaches us that not all investments will succeed, but the few that do can be transformational. Like art collectors, investors aim for a portfolio where the rare masterpieces drive overall success. How can you apply this principle to diversify and strengthen your financial portfolio? True wealth is what you don't see. It's the savings you don't spend, the investments you let grow, and the choices you can make because of your financial security. It's about having control over your time and making decisions that align with your values. In your pursuit of wealth, how do you balance the allure of immediate gratification with the goal of long-term financial freedom? The real price. Just as climbers face unpredictable conditions, investors navigate the uncertainties of financial markets. The price of reaching your financial peak includes enduring the valleys of market fluctuations. Are you equipped to face these challenges, understanding that the journey's risks are integral to reaching your financial summit? Hedonic treadmills. The hedonic treadmill illustrates our relentless pursuit of more, where each achievement only escalates our desires. Recognizing when enough is enough allows us to step off this treadmill and find contentment. What is your definition of enough, and how does it guide your financial and personal satisfaction? Investing with perspective. Successful investing requires a perspective that sees beyond immediate fluctuations to the long-term horizon. It's about understanding that while markets ebb and flow, a well-considered strategy prevails over time. How does your investment approach reflect a balance between short-term reactions and long-term goals? Money and happiness. While money can provide comfort and security, true happiness often derives from experiences, relationships, and the ability to live life on our terms. How do you ensure that your financial decisions enhance your well-being and happiness, not just your bank balance? In conclusion, as we've journeyed through the psychology of money, we've seen how our financial decisions are deeply human, reflecting our values, experiences, and aspirations. Let's carry forward the insights from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money to make choices that align with our deepest goals and contribute to a fulfilling life.